Hi! In front of me is INFINIX Hot 20i, and today I would like to show you how you can use App Cloner on this INFINIX. Begin by going into Settings and scrolling all the way down. Then click on Special Function. Now you need to click on XClone over here and click on the switcher next to one of your apps that you wish to clone. I will go with Facebook. Now, after a couple of seconds, when I go back, I can see that my app was successfully cloned. In order to delete your app, go back into the same settings and tap on the same, now green sweater. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!